HOA rules, and I won't leave until we deal with this!
Go!
Get him away! I'm calling the police! Back off! I'm calling! Open this door! I won't leave until you fix these HOA violations!
Get him away!
911! I'm slipping!
Stop! Back inside! Bella Hunter inside!
Somebody send